The world's textile and apparel industry is undergoing a massive transformation. As global supply chains reset, costs surge, and sustainability takes center stage, buyers everywhere are searching for resilient, competitive sourcing destinations. At the epicenter of this shift stands the second Asia Sourcing 2026 Textile and Apparel, a powerful global sourcing exhibition organized by CEMS-Global USA. From June 3rd to 5th, 2026, in the vibrant business hub of Bangkok, Thailand. This is not just another trade show. It's the only global sourcing exhibition featuring 100% Asian manufacturers across the full value chain. Yarns, fabrics, apparel, trims, accessories, and private labels, straight from Asia's manufacturing powerhouses. Meet decision makers, showcase your capabilities, forge resilient partnerships that define the future of fashion sourcing. Held at the Impact Exhibition Center, Bangkok offers unmatched accessibility, regional connectivity, access to emerging economies and global reach. Tap into Asia's booming economies, all under one roof, in one strategic location. Whether you're a manufacturer, supplier, designer, or global buyer, this is your gateway to new opportunities, cross-border trade, and sustainable collaborations that matter. Be part of the reset. Be seen. Be sourced. Be strategic. Exhibit, visit, or partner at Asia Sourcing 2026 Textiles and Apparel. Asian manufacturers, global buyers, one powerful exhibition.